Okay, Chapter 6, Health and Inventory. It's a large chapter. And we're going to get started by focusing on some UI work. So the first thing we do in building a UI is to add a canvas. So let's say here at Hierarchy, we're going to say Create, go down to UI, and select Canvas. So the canvas elements, the UI elements, are what we're going to use to show our health, show our inventory, as is typical. We want to rename this canvas Health Bar Object. Health Bar Object. And we want to configure this canvas scaler script. The UI scale mode should be scale with screen size, and the reference pixels, we want to make 32. And back on our hierarchy, this event system we don't need, so I'm going to select it, hit delete, and delete it, and save the game. We have some images associated with the health bar that are provided as resources from the author's GitHub. And in preparation for that, let's say, go into sprites, let me close some of these folders, get some room. We want a new sprite folder called health bar. So under sprites, right mouse, create folder, health bar. All right, now we go to File Explorer, and you can see if you've downloaded the author's resources, then in Chapter 6, under Sprite Sheets, you'll see health bar. And we're going to drag that over into health bar. All right. And we want to configure the sprite sheet to be multiple. We're going to split it. We're going to split it in a different way, however. At first, these settings are the same. 32. No filtering, no compression. And then when we bring up our sprite editor, we're going to use a new mode to slice, which is automatic, which is the default. Okay, so leave those default settings, slice. And now Unity has figured out the dimensions of these. Looks good. I'm going to apply. X out. And we're good there. All right, now we want to add an image to our canvas. So selecting health bar object, right mouse, and select UI, image, and we'll rename this image over in the inspector, background. And we want to select the image, so click on this dot next to source image and find our health bar number 4. All right. So double click on the background. And we're going to want to do some configuration here. So in the rect transform component, we want to make the width be 50. and the height 50. All right, that looks good. And let's anchor this. Click on the Rect Transform Anchor. We want it to be the upper right, so top right. If you select that while holding Alt, top right, select. It'll move it there. We can say it's up at the top right corner. And maybe we'll just move that. Oops, I didn't want to resize it. Hit W for the move tool. We'll just move it down to the left a little bit. Okay, that is good. So we've started our canvas. We've added a health bar object, at least its background. And save the game. And that gives us a start for Chapter 6. See you in the next video.